Hi everyone, Ray Rodenberg here from Unilock. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about snow removal options for Unilock paving stones. Many people think it's difficult to remove snow from paving stones, but it's actually quite simple. In fact, you'll find that it's in some cases much easier than clearing many other materials. The shoveling is quite easy. The shoveling just glides over the surface and easily cleans the surface. Now, when you have a plastic shovel, you'll notice that there's no metal edge on here like this plastic shovel. This metal edge can be problematic when shoveling on paving stones because it'll leave little metal particles behind on the concrete which eventually rust and turn brown. So I don't recommend anything with a metal edge. So simply a plastic edge, and you'll find that any of the hand shoveling you'll have to do will be very easy. The machines, if you're going to be clearing snow with any of the machinery, such as a single stage snow thrower or a dual stage snow blower, they both work equally as well on paving stones. Really depends on the size of project that you have, whether you'd have a single stage or a double stage. The main difference between the two is the single stage here has a nice rubber paddle, and this rubber paddle cleans right down to the surface of the paver and makes it ideal for paving stones. Just a little bit of sun on this and it'll melt off very quickly. The double stage, although it can throw a lot more snow and thicker levels of snow and heavier snow, it has a metal shoe or a ski on both sides. And this metal ski can go run along the pavers and actually scratch the pavers as well and leave metal particles on the surface. So we recommend, if you have one of these, is pick up at your local mower supply store or your hardware store, pick up some of these plastic skis. They're a universal fit. They bolt onto one on one side and one on the other side, and they'll just allow the snowblower to just glide along nicely on the paving stones. If you have a larger property and you're subcontracting the snow plowing out to a contractor, you want to make sure that you talk to your contractor, make sure that they have the plastic edge on their snow plows and blades so that it doesn't scratch the surface of your pavers. Lastly, just wanted to talk a little bit about de-icing salts. Now, de-icing salts come in bags, jugs, different types of granulations. You can use potassium chlorides, you can use calcium chlorides, sodium chlorides. The one thing that we want to make sure is that there are no magnesium chlorides in the de-icing material. Magnesium will soak into the ground, and if there are any buried cables or pipes, will begin to deteriorate those. So we recommend that you stay away from it. So just normal sodium chloride, which is just your table salt or your rock salt, is fine for Unilock paving stones. We use it as sparingly as possible, but use enough to do the job well.